day, they are playing volleyball and basketball. And hey, yeah, let's play volleyball. Hey, yeah, let's play basketball. Then they throw the ball.
Okay, so now we're gonna talk about the before. So what had happened? There's the volleyball and there's the basketball. The basketball has a mass of 0.6 and a velocity of 10, while the volleyball has a mass of 0.3 and a velocity of 20. The volleyball is going to the left, while the basketball is going to the right. And going to the left is negative, while going to the right is positive, or you can vice versa. So, the initial momentum, how do we calculate it? We calculate it by the mass of the basketball times the speed of the basketball plus the mass of the volleyball times the speed of the volleyball. And there we can find it's 0 kg per second. And so how do we also calculate the kinetic energy? So there is 1/2 times the mass of the basketball times the speed of the basketball squared plus 1/2 of the mass of the volleyball times the speed of the volleyball squared. And there we got 19 joules for the initial kinetic energy. And so after the basketball and the volleyball have collided, boing, here's what happened. They're still the same volleyball and basketball. And they still have the same mass and velocity, but the velocity are in different direction. And so how to calculate the final momentum and the final kinetic energy? Here's how. It's the same as the previous one. But as you can see, the final momentum is the same as the previous one, which tells us that momentum is conserved in this system. And as you can see, the final kinetic energy changed. And the reason is, it's because it's not elastic collision. It is an inelastic collision. And this is the reason why kinetic energy are different from the initial one.
Oh no! At the end, the ball hit both of them. I would never play ball again. Me too. The moral of the story is to not throw balls on each other. Yeah, and be careful when you play sports.